बोलेंगे, अध्यक्ष कुछ और बोलेंगे, बाहर मीडिया में कुछ और आएगा। ये क्या चीज बना के रख ली है लोग?
That's Khan Sir standing with students in their protest only to end up in a hospital later. An educator, a YouTube sensation, and now a man at the center of a controversy. In November 2024, his supporters were sharing videos of him lying in a hospital bed praying for his speedy recovery.
एक एग्जाम, एक पेपर, एक शिफ्ट, हम लोग को और कोई मांग नहीं है, हम यहाँ से लौट जाएंगे।
A celebrated teacher from Patna and an alumnus of Allahabad University, born as Faisal Khan, he gained fame through his YouTube channel Khan GS Research Center. His lectures combine humor, real-life examples, and easy explanations.
जिंदगी बर्बाद करने के लिए जरूरी नहीं कि आप दिल लगाएं, आप बिहार में आके ग्रेजुएशन भी कर सकते हैं।
But teaching was never his dream. Khan was born into a lower middle-class family in Uttar Pradesh's Gorakhpur in 1993, where his father worked as a contractor and his mother was a housewife. From the 8th standard, Khan wanted to join the Indian Army, he has often said in his videos. He said he appeared for a Sainik school exam, a polytechnic entrance test, and the NDA exam too, but failed.
आर्मी में हमारा हाथ टेढ़ा था तो हम जा नहीं पाए। इसी बहाने हम एनसीसी भी हैं, लड़ाई उड़ाई हो जाता है तो ये लोग डायरेक्ट चले जाते हैं। तो जो बहाने हमको ही मौका मिले यहाँ पे बहुत कलम उठाएं, अब थोड़ा राइफल उठाया जाए।
After being deemed unfit for the army, Khan said he considered quitting studies. But 3 of his friends pooled their money and lent it to him so he could make ends meet. He even learned a new skill, he said.
सोचे कुछ सीख ले, वेल्डिंग सीख लिए। हमारा क्लासरूम वगैरह का बेंच वेंच हम ही बना देते हैं जिसपे लड़के बैठते हैं। बाद में जब ज़्यादा बनाना रहता है तो फिर एक सर्टेन टाइम के बाद आपको हैंडओवर करना।
His journey started with home tuitions and local coaching classes.
शुरुआत में जब स्टेज पे चढ़े तो दाढ़ी उड़ी कुछ नहीं थी, तो लड़के थोड़ा सा कहें कि भाई ये पढ़ाएंगे। पढ़ाने के बाद जो 6 लड़के थे अगले दिन कैसे 20 हो गए, उसके अगले दिन 40, फिर 150, 600, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कोरोना बढ़ रहा है।
Frustrated that students had to pay high fees at normal coaching centers, he started his own facility to help underprivileged students, he said.
फीस कम होने से केवल पढ़ाई नहीं हो जाती है, लड़कों को समझ में भी आना चाहिए।
सर ईमानदारी से पढ़ाते हैं। यदि 7 बजे क्लास है तो आपको 5 बजे 5:30 बजे तक तो कितना स्टूडेंट सर आपको वहाँ मिलेगा कि ब्रश करते हुए सीढ़ी पर बैठा हुआ रहेगा।
During the COVID-19 lockdown, he became a social media star. Now uploading videos on YouTube, he reached homes across India. This surge in his popularity got rival coaching centers to issue threats, sometimes even plant bombs in his classroom in Patna, he alleged.
आपके पाँव के नीचे वो फटा नहीं था।
नहीं फटा, उसको पता है कि टीचर की रेस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए।
However, Khan wasn't a bright student himself, he admitted.
क्लास 8-7 तक की बात है कि जो फ्रैक्शनल जोड़ होते हैं बटा पे का, तो ऊपर वाले को ऊपर से जोड़ देते थे, नीचे वाले को नीचे से जोड़ देते थे। हम कहते ये तो सिंपल ही है यार। वो इंग्लिश में जो टीचर बोलते थे लोग ना, वो हमको उतना अच्छा एडजस्ट नहीं होता था। वही चीज को जो हिंदी में बताने लगे लोग ना, पूरा बढ़िया से बताने लगे, तो 9th में मेरा मार्क्स बहुत अच्छा आ गया। टीचर कंफ्यूज हो गए।
Once he even missed an exam because he couldn't wake up on time.
तैयारी पूरा था।
कैसे कर सकते हैं तैयारी पूरा? जिसका पूरा तैयारी रहेगा सुतल रहेगा।
On December 7, 2024, Khan joined students on the streets of Patna who were demanding changes to the upcoming 70th Bihar Public Service Commission BPSC preliminary examination. The aspirants opposed the normalization of marks process, which adjusts scores based on the difficulty of different exam shifts, and instead demanded a one-shift, one-paper format to ensure equal opportunity for all. The protest turned chaotic when police lathi charged the students. Soon after, rumors spread that Khan had been arrested. The police later clarified that Khan was neither arrested nor detained. Khan was then admitted to a hospital due to dehydration and fever. He was discharged on 9 December 2024. Amid all this, the BPSC has confirmed that the preliminary exam will proceed as scheduled on December 13th. The commission dismissed rumors about normalization, stating that the traditional format remains unchanged.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.